So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in Nokrek National Park and these are the Nokrek ranges. So hey guys, so the story starts like this. It was 3rd April 2021 and we planned to go to Daribok and get a glimpse of how the highest part of the Garo Hills looks like. It usually takes nearly 2 hours from here, Tura, but I'm gonna take you there in 30 seconds. So first we had to refill our vehicles and then we went off to our destination. This place is called Rongbang and we took the diversion from Asanang. We got to see some tea plantations and said hello to the muddy road, and finally the hills began to pop up. And as we got closer, the mountains got much larger and then we finally reached. Alright, we have reached here to the helipad. Helmet ko ramay again, yeah, it won't get stolen. Last time the helmet which he wore got stolen. Morning boys. So in my last video, you may have seen my friend Jadu wearing this helmet for the last time because this helmet got stolen. And later in that evening, as I was scrolling my Facebook, I saw this helmet being listed on OLX Tura. So if you have seen this helmet somewhere, kindly please let me know.
End of flashback.
This is the photo booth where people usually come and click pictures. Checking ra ba kita? Yeah, kita. Oh, but so we're just going back because the way to there is only trekking, and we don't wanna go for trekking now. But I'll do next time.
Trekking video coming soon.
Yes, 10 likes and I will do trekking video. And since we did not knew what to do there, so we just climbed the tower. So this is the tower. And this monkey boy, Salah, coming from the wrong way. Woo! And then we got down, had our lunch, and then we went to see the Garo traditional house. Nokpante. That is the Nokpante. I want Nokpante ba? Okay. Atua. I think this is the guest house, right, Jadu?
Yeah.
This is the guest house. This is the.
I don't know, maybe like 2,000 per bed, I think.
2,000 per bed.
You can ask.
Maybe. Why takin sa Chaming Bird? Starting at 100, as you can see. And oh, what a tent bano? Tent. Jio ba niya? Why taka? Per night 300. Tent number kino we? Uy, doggy, 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 doggy. Very, very good boy. Maybe a girl. So this is it. Wow. The wind blows. This is where most of the people come and then take pictures here. Mission accomplished. Anyways. It's getting old. What do we have here? I think these are orange trees. Yeah, orange. But this is not the season for orange. You can see a drum. Traditionally, what Garo people say to drums. This is dama. Jadu, this will be like a traditional instrument, right?
Yes, of course.
Of course. Hi, Chaming Bird, changsa okay, Miss Pura.
Bro.
Yeah. So this is basically Nok Pante, and this is basically called Nok Achik. What's? Let's go inside.
Inside down.
Go there. We should do.
Jarang makin. Oh, latrine sana. Sibet latrine.
You must keep that in your video.
Yes, I'll surely keep that in my video. Thanks for reminding. Let's go inside this Nok Pante. Napna na 먼저. Oh, this is.
Ask someone.
Napna 먼저 say. Oh, buka ako nemo. Why are you opening someone else booked room?
You bet.
No man, but you can stay. You want me to click picture? Okay. Alright, done. Hi. So after visiting the traditional houses, it got a little boring out there. So we decided to go to Rongbang Dare, a waterfall that was 45 minutes away. So now we're currently in the junction of Chandigarh Resort. We are waiting for one friend. So after then we'll go to Rongbang Dare. So I'll see you when I reach there. Hello guys, we are now here in Rongbang. Whoops, a car. We are here, but we are soon to be there. This waterfall seems to be small, but if we go closer, it will be so big. And also to remember, while you come to Rongbang Dare, there are two ways, one from the right and one from the left. The road to the left will lead us here, and we need to cross the water, and I don't think it will be possible during the monsoon seasons because the water level will rise and we might not be able to cross. But if you go from the right side, we will need to cross the hanging bridge. So the choice is yours. So we took the road less traveled and took the bridge, and then after that, guess what? Keep on watching. Alright, so we are close to the waterfall. And we have this. I think this is the second biggest waterfall in West Garo Hills. I think the first one is Rongkon Dare. Jadura, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling tired, man.
Just feeling tired. And also, if you want to go up there, just like we did, you guys can go from there, but it's also very risky, so I would not suggest you to go there. But in case there are some mad people like us, who would want to go up, you guys can go from up there, but don't go. Alright guys, we are done with Rongbang Dare, and now we'll be going back to the main road. And after that, we went through the hanging bridge and got back up. And this will be your condition after coming from that waterfall. So, today's Mendes.
It is tiring.
Okay.
I'm exhausted.
Oh, Jadu, how was your experience? Huh? Buri? So guys, this will be it for today's video. I guess you got to learn something new about places by watching my video, and also thank you for watching if you watch till here. And if you want to support me, subscribe and also give a like, you know. So be positive, be grateful, and be you. Bye bye.